Hello, my name is Tina Thompson, and I come from Denmark in a city called Viborg. I am 17 years old, and in my leisure time or spare time, call it what you want, I ride horses, and like many other young people, I love to be together with my friends and just chill out. When I go to school in Viborg, in the Viborg Young School. It's a school with the 10th class for students. I think we have about 9, 10, 11, maybe 12 class in the school. It's really crazy, but it's a good school, and I love to be in there. When I don't go to school or are together with my friends, I also have a spare time job in a shop who call Rema 1000. You probably don't know that shop, but yeah, this is where I work. It's a shop with food and soap and everything you need, I think. But now you have heard something about me, and it will be funny to hear something about you, and I'm very pleased that I have the honor that I can come home to you and talk to you about how you lived and what you eat and what you do. Yeah, I have many questions for you, but now I think you should see where I lived. I have my own room. This is my bed, on my clothes, my dress and shoes, and yeah, just clothes. I also have television, like many other young people. And like you can see, I have the best of the best. I can see everything from this window. It's beautiful. I really love it. I really do. But it will be good to see how you live. So I just have to say bye bye for this time, and I hope we see soon. So bye bye.